How's it going, everybody? I'm back. I am not an attorney and this is not legal advice. If you want legal advice, please contact an attorney. I'm making this video specifically for the state of California. Every state can, use this procedure, I guess, under their discovery procedures, but they would have to follow their own set of procedures. Now, this video is so that anybody can look into a law enforcement officer's file. Now, the reason why anybody would want to even do that, of course, is because when a case depends on the word of the defendant against that of an arresting officer, the defense faces a considerable hurdle. A claim by the defendant that the police used excessive force or planted evidence on him or her will seldom be believed if denied by the officer, of course. However, if the defense can present evidence that other persons had filed complaints against the specific officer for planting evidence or using excessive force in their own cases, this tends to corroborate the defendant's version of the events and makes the case much more winnable. In some situations, if the officer has enough baggage, the prosecutor might dismiss the case or offer a more lenient plea bargain. I know this for a fact because I filed the complaint on a specific officer in Glendale, and a couple months later I got a call from someone who was a defendant in the case, and this person alleged that the officer did pretty much what I had claimed, and so they obviously filed a pitches motion, and they looked into the officer's records and found that I had filed a complaint on the officer, and they were going to call me to testify on the officer's behavior or his character, I guess, and they never did though, but that's just an example of how that works. So basically, if I file a complaint and that same officer comes and screws with you, if you do a pitches motion in the state of California, you can look and see if this officer has, done things before, and it might be able to help you out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This can be done in every state. You just have to follow your procedures under the discovery procedures, rules of evidence, whatever it may be. So let me know what you guys think. Please rate, subscribe, and favorite, and let everybody know, because it's all about information, and knowledge is power. Godspeed.